Hey, welcome everybody. Look what we got to deal with here. This is a lower end unit that's got a big honking crack in it. I've got it already cleaned out, ready to weld, got it V-grooved in. Normally we don't weld these for customers off the street. Generally we'll do this kind of work for commercial fishermen that need to get back out in the water like really quickly. And what they'll do is they'll order a new lower end and we'll patch this up for them just like this. And they might get a week or two, heck, they might get a month out of it. You never know. This is a very bad spot. As you can see, all that extra smoke, there's a lot of crap in that metal down there. They don't use the best metal on these. As you can see, I'm fighting it. I had to stop again. It's kind of flickering and popping. Smells like shit. That's what I just said there. Yeah, it smells like shit. Oh, shit. I wish I could have moved the camera around. I probably should have picked up the camera and moved it. It sucks, Chuck. Alright, we'll try it again. Keep going. I don't know what I said there. And we're going to do a little bit more right there. This is just not dealing with it. Look, it's almost getting orangey in there. You can almost see the flame color turn a little on the orange side. And it's just crap. It's just amazing how much crap is. This is why we don't normally weld this area. I think I've already said that. Yeah, look at that. It's trying though. Alright, we finally got this thing covered over. That was a honking weld. I had to go wide on it, super wider than I really wanted to, but it is what it is. Alright, here's how they do it. We don't grind these down when it's down there like that. The customer has to do it themselves, or sometimes they just paint right over it and leave it because they're a commercial fisherman. They don't care what their boat looks like or their motor looks like. It's under the water. Well, alright folks, that's the end of this one. It was a quick one. Remember to make the most of your day. And until next time, later, y'all.